The little LED wall packs from Lithonia are ideal for entryway lighting on commercial buildings. They are a nice compact size and come in two finishes, white and bronze. There are also 3 different versions in each color finish. The wall pack itself, the wall pack with a photocell sensor, or the wall pack with a battery backup. The battery provides 90 minutes of runtime and fully recharges in 24 hours. These wall packs provide 800 lumens of light in either 3000K or 4000K color temperatures. There is also a back box accessory that can be used with the basic or photocell version of the wall pack. This back box can act as a spacer from the wall and it has threaded conduit ports on both sides for side entry wiring applications. These fixtures are DLC listed, making them eligible for utility rebate programs. If you have any questions about this product or the rebate programs, call 888-455-2800 to speak with one of our lighting specialists.